it under our indifference.
Hey, what's up guys? I just woke up. It is 4:15 a.m. My sleep schedule has been completely wrecked up. That's why I've rectified myself and I'm not being quite lazy from today. Okay, so I'm just gonna hop into the shower, do my morning skincare routine. I won't wash my hair, I'll just change my clothes and I'll prep a meal and I'll be right back. And also I forgot to tell you, drink water. There's so many benefits. A good jawline and yeah, a good jawline. And also I finish 4 of these bottles in a day, that is 4 liters of water, which is approximately a gallon. So that's good, yeah. So my first meal of the day, Tej Hanley. It's gonna be so tasty. Okay, here's coffee with creatine, then 2 whole eggs, 4 slices of bacon, 2 paws. Yeah, I had to bring some Indian tarka into this. Tarka. Okay, this is butter and cheese bread, which I'll be putting on these paws to bring in some Indian tarka. Okay, I'll enjoy this meal, and after which, this meal is actually my pre-workout meal. After this meal, I'll work out. Now it's time for my post-workout protein shake. Yep, that should do. Oops, I need to put it in a bigger container or else it will overflow. Oh my god. Oops, mission successful, and it was pretty ugly. I almost spilled it over. For lunch we have pork sausages and fried rice with a lot of, exotic vegetables. My mom made it. So yeah, that's lunch. I don't know how many calories it is because it's not measured, but yeah, it's super tasty. That's all that matters. I'm hungry, so I'll have a Ferrero Rocher now. I'll now eat a banana as a snack. It's evening now, so yeah, snack time. Well, actually 2 bananas, just for more calories. While I'm eating this, I'll go and prepare a special dinner for myself and my mom and sister too. Well, what I'm cooking is pasta, soup pasta, and what I call a poke meister. So basically there's gonna be ham, salami, and sausage, along with my iconic soup pasta. Yeah, you guys will love it. I'll show you that in a while. Dinner is almost ready and I'm a bit hungry. So, as it is a full day of eating, so I have to show you whatever I'm eating. So, my mom made some cake. I'm gonna eat cake. I'll tell you, my mom bakes delicious cakes. It's really awesome. Oh my god, it looks so bad when I eat. Really, just look into the camera. Chicken soup pasta with chicken stock. The soup's down there. Super tasty. 200 grams of pasta, chicken stock cubes. So it's chicken flavored pasta soup. Super tasty. Yeah, how many times did I say that? It's really delicious. You guys should try it out if you want. More calories in your diet and a lot of carbohydrates. Dinner is served, folks. Here is the poke meister, 2 slices of ham, a lot of salami, 2 frankfurters. Here is pasta, chicken soup pasta, my favorite to get in more calories. I'll be taking multiple servings of this. Then I have mango juice, some cheese, water, and then chocolates after meal. So that's my dinner, the dinner of the gods. And of course this was cooked by me, so it's gonna be tasty. If you guys ever want to come to my house, then I'm gonna cook.